I'm an addict, I'm addicted. My heart's out in a stomach in a worse. I can't stop calling her more. I mean, what's not?
Go to CapCut and add new projects, add plain color, then add audio. Click the audio and match cut, then add beat.
I'm addicted to this girl. I'm addicted to this girl. She's got my heart out in a
Split before the lyrics "she's got my heart" into a knot, then delete. Add text. Go to snow. Click effect. Find this effect. Adjust the intensity if you don't want the oldish effect. Then save it. Then do the process again into different photo. Then go to Instagram. Then add plain green. Click this, then search letter that we need for our lyrics. Then save and go back to CapCut. Add overlay. Then adjust the overlay till the end. Add the magazine lyrics on green screen. Click chroma key, then set the intensity and shadow to 100. Use the yellow dot as a pattern for adding overlays. When you're done on the first and second part, export it. Then add new project, add again the plain photo, then add again the audio, then add beat. Add overlay, then add the first and second part that we edit earlier. Add animation out, fade out. Duration is 1.0. Now we are going to edit the third part. Add overlay. Crop it, then chroma key and set the intensity and shadow to 100. Click it, then add keyframe, then follow what I'm doing. Hide, hide. Add overlay, then same process. Hide it. Now we are going to add stickers, so go to stickers, then add the stickers you want. Delete the excess, then export again. Then click undo, then delete all overlay and stickers. Then add the one that we just export. And we are now in fourth part. Freeze the end of the first clip. Then add blur effect. Add overlay photo. Add animation combo smartphone 1. Then proceed to fifth part. Go to Pixart. Then add plain photo that we use in editing. Add photo. Click Cut Out, then Person, to automatically remove the background, then save it. Go to Instagram, then Story and click the photo we edited on Pixart. Start the screen record the draw like this, then save the screen record. After that, go back to CapCut, then add the video. Crop it. Then adjust the speed until it's on the beat. Then add text to add the lyrics. The font is Sigmar and the color is black. Done, and now we are in part 6th and 7th. Add stickers. Then add text with bubble, like what we do on first part. Add photo overlay. Then add text. Then add animation type 1 with the duration of 1.8 seconds. Then add animation out fade out on the last part. Then export, and here's the results.
I'm in trouble to this girl. She's got my heart tied in a whirl, but even worse, I can't stop calling her. Means damn, what's